Happy birthday, Harry. Happy birthday, Amati. Happy birthday, Harry.
Happy birthday, nanak maganda, girly. Dito kami sa KFC, kasama ko yung anak ko. Happy birthday, Ate Girly. Ingat kayo dyan mag-iingat. Happy birthday, girly. Ito di handam, kadeng. Tatlo maramanan medyo kwartati.
Aming organista na talaga naman kahit 4:30 AM ay naka-makeup. Yan ang tatak mo bilang organista ng Riverside. Pag sinabing girly Soriano, ayan yung organista na maputi na chinita. Yung palagi naka-makeup at talaga naman kung manamit. Ay, wala akong masabi. Actually, yan yung isang bagay na talagang gustong-gusto sa'yo ni Ate Lilian. At ang heels, todo naman ang taas. Imagine, naglalakad yan sa kahabaan ng Riverside, ha? Heels. Anyway, yun yung tatak mo talaga. And, birthday mo, san ka man ngayon, just enjoy your day. Alagaan mo lang mabuti ang sarili mo, lalo na ngayon na may pamilya ka na at may baby ka nang inaalagaan. So, maging maingat sa lahat. Unang-una yung sarili mo para mahaba pa yung mga panahon na ipagsasama ng buong pamilya. So, dalangin ko lalo higit sa lahat na magpatuloy yung alab at pag-ibig mo sa pagtupad mo. Enjoy your day and sana magkaroon ng pagkakataon na magkasama-sama tayo, no? Doon sa Riverside kasama ni Ate Lilian. Bigla ko tuloy namin si Ate Lilian lalo. Anyway, enjoy your day and happy birthday again. Thank you so much, guys. At naging part ako ng celebration. Extra care lagi and God.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Nanay. May God bless you. Good luck and good health.
Happy birthday, Ate Girly.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Hi. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday kaanakan.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Girly.
Pasalubong
We wish you all the best. More blessings.
How are you? How is Sophia? I know tomorrow is a big day. Happy birthday! Regards to Pio and the others. We love you.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Mommy Girly.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Girly.
See you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday to my dear sister na maganda at sexy. Ayan, sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to, te. At sana magustuhan mo ito. Ayan, sana, ate, more blessings. Sana maging successful ka pa lalo. Love na love ka namin, alam mo yan. Napakalaki namin kasi may kapatid kaming katulad mo na mabait. Sobrang bait. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. I love you, ate. I miss you. Happy birthday.
I love you.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy! From Jana and Daddy! Mwah!